Accelerate your natural collagen production in just 84 days. Kollagen Intensiv includes the very latest medical breakthroughs in natural collagen renewal, encouraging your skin to naturally increase collagen production for a visible reduction of wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, and more. Skin regains a more youthful appearance. Doctors have long known about the importance of natural moisturizing factors in keeping skin looking healthy and youthful. Kollagen Intensiv has been carefully formulated to include a number of highly effective NMFs, which literally lock in moisture, preventing evaporation and providing lubrication to the skin's surface. Peptide is damage done to the skin through exposure to sunlight, or more specifically, UV radiation. The older we get, the more skin is impacted by peptide, with visible effects including fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, increased skin roughness and more. Kollagen Intensiv offers protection against peptide with various UV protecting ingredients, as well as factors that help to rejuvenate and repair the skin from pre-existing peptide. Ever notice how rubber left out in the sun hardens and cracks? A rubber garden hose, for example, becomes stiff and easily breaks when you try to move it. This is glycation in action. Kollagen Intensiv helps prevent the effects of glycation on your skin with a series of ingredients proven to prevent the cross-linking of proteins and production of interleukins. Skin retains its elasticity, youthful contours, and even tone. Nothing shows age faster than our eyes, crow's feet, sagging eyelids, dark circles, puffiness. It all adds years to your face. Yet many women find it difficult to justify purchasing expensive eye creams on top of their regular moisturizers. That's why Kollagen Intensiv has been specially formulated to be your total anti-aging and skin rejuvenation solution, taking years off your eyes by firming and plumping this sensitive skin to reduce crow's feet, dark circles, and puffiness.